Delivering precise and reliable unmanned solutions requires a lot of factors to play together. These factors include access to the right technology, strong integrations, maintaining a strong supply chain control, and price security. At UXV Technologies, we are experts in supporting integrators of unmanned solutions, and we invest in strong partnerships with our customers. We deliver reliable and scalable world-leading custom control platforms. Our control platforms are seamlessly integrated and delivered with your branding, configuration, and software. Over the years, we have developed a well-proven and streamlined process to take you from your vision to a final custom-tailored solution. We believe that you learn from experience, and we know that it can take a long time to find out exactly what you need in your ground control station. Therefore, we encourage you to buy our development kit and test the different options and configurations before you decide on your final solution. The design process is based on your evaluation, and the solution is designed in collaboration with you. You can choose between different joysticks, buttons, interfaces, firmware, software, engraving, IP rating, and much more. After agreeing on the final solution, we will begin the production process. Your ground control station will typically be delivered within 12 to 16 weeks.